Eastlink Wireless Modem. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to set up Eastlink Wireless Modem. So let's get started. Start by unboxing your modem and plugging it into a power outlet. Use the coaxial cable provided to connect the modem to the false cable outlet. Once done, next connect your computer or router to the modem using an Ethernet cable. This ensures a stable connection during the setup process. Then turn on the modem and wait for the indicator lights to stabilize. Make sure the online or internet light is solid before continuing. Then open a web browser and enter the modem's IP address to access the settings. Log in using the default username and password provided with the modem. Finally, set up your Wi-Fi network by choosing a unique network name and a strong password. Save the settings and restart the modem to apply the changes. Your Eastlink wireless network should now be ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.